Everybody wanna see me throw a fireball, but that's not right, not in real life. You won't fall down and break your leg. Everybody wanna see me break a neck, well I don't.
Hello YouTube, Drasengan TV here, and today we're gonna give you a quick simple unboxing of a gaming headset. But I hope you guys are enjoying your Christmas. You know, Christmas is around the corner. Yeah, so I hope you guys are enjoying it. And here's the product. This is a Kotion each, I think, pro gaming headset. It's very nice, very simple. Looks good in the box. So what I'm gonna do, hope it focus. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna give you a simple unboxing of this. I'm not an audiophile, if that's how you pronounce it. So I'm just gonna tell you if it has heavy bass and if it works for gaming. Simple. I'm gonna put it over my head, run a little match with Fortnite. I don't know, just saying. I might do it after, not during this video. I don't know, because it's a simple unboxing. Just gonna tell you what's inside, what I got with it, and yeah. So this product, this Kotion each, I think it's Kotion each pro gaming headset, was purchased from my Amazon. I purchased it with my money. It wasn't sent to us by the company. So just letting you guys know that. So yeah, let's get into it. I am going to take it out of the box right here so you guys can see it. My apologies. I'm a bit nervous though. It's been a while since I do something like this. So the box is open. Here it is. Nice. In the box you get a manual. Let me just take it out here. Okay, you got the manual here. Yeah, Kotion each. I hope it focus. There you go, Kotion each. Yeah, so it looks awesome. So that's the manual, and yeah, it seems like it's just a simple boxing. No, nothing fussy, just something simple. So here's the headphone. This is the box. I can get rid of the box now. And this is the headphone. It's in bubble wrap. You can hear that. Perfect. So here it is. So this is it. This is what it looks like. There it is. The cushion is soft, as you can see. Nice. Headband, yeah, it's soft. You can see they have a plastic here to protect the microphone. Well, not really to protect it, but to, I think it's a glossy finish. So they put a plastic over it to keep it from dust for the time being. You can take it off. There it is. So yeah, it's orange. Let me feel this. A little stiff here. Perfect. I think that's fine. Over the other side. Yeah, it is stiff. Alright. So at the end of it, what you got is a 3.5 audio jack. It also has a microphone. So basically this audio jack has both in it. So you know those laptops that has one port for both audio and mic? This is perfect for that. So yeah, and they got a USB here. I believe the USB is for the light. It does light up. So yeah, it does light up. So plug in the USB to get it light up, and you plug in your 3.5 audio jack, and you should be good to go. You can see that they gave us a little Velcro strap here to wrap it up together. Let me see. It's a bit tight though. Did it tight? Got it loose. Alright, so we got a controller on it as well. And on this controller, you got the volume rocker right here. That's what it looks like. I hope it focus. We got mute mic and unmute mic button below it. I don't know if you can see it. This thing like doesn't want to focus, but yeah, hopefully you can see it. So I am going to test it just to see if it works. Feels nice. It is a bit light. It does feel light. Wow. Does feel light. So I'm gonna plug it in my computer here. Did it light up? Oh yeah, it did. There it is, right here. It light up. It's lit. Alright, and now I'm gonna plug in this part. Alright. Perfect. So I'm gonna try something, hear what it sounds like. Testing the song right now. A really bass heavy song. Body or Cardi by Cardi B. Yeah. It's not extremely loud. I'm talking loud, right? It's not extremely loud, but it's there. My surroundings, I can't really hear myself. It's a bit faded. My voice is faded because I'm playing the music right now. The bass is, it's there. The cushion is vibrating, so yeah. Insane. I forgot. Yep. Stay upset. I don't know what I'm saying, but yeah. Yep. Yeah, it's good. It's good. Let me turn it down. Yeah, it's good. I like it. It's simple. It's not too fussy. It's there. The bass is there. And remember, it's a gaming headset, so you're not really gonna use it to play music. You're gonna use it to like play games so you can hear your friends. Like for example, if you're playing Fortnite. So yeah, it works. Because it's a single jack and my computer has double jack for the audio and mic. This is a single jack. I don't think I'll be able to get a mic on it, but that's fine. I didn't buy it for me. I bought it for my girlfriend because she does classes, so she does need a headphone and a mic so she can do her classes. So yes, I hope she likes it for her Christmas present. But yeah, it works. The audio is good. But for you guys who are using it for gaming, it's perfect for gaming. It's fine. I like it. So Kotion each, job well done. I like it. So I didn't tell you about the price. I got it for $16, I believe, $16.99. I will put the link in the description down below. But I got it in the lightning deal. The original price, I think it's around between 20 and 30. Yeah, something like that. I think I bought it sometime in the ending of November. I'm not sure. Don't get me wrong, I'm not sure. Maybe it's early December. I can't remember. It's been too long. But yeah, I bought it and saw the lightning deal, and I saw it for $16. I was like, hell no, I'm not gonna let this pass. She always asks me about a headphone. She always want to borrow my headphone. I got two headphones here. I got a Logitech G930 right here, and I got my special audio headphone here that she likes to borrow. This one, it's really old. I just love it because it's simple. I like simple stuff. So yeah, so now she doesn't have to disturb me anymore and be like, oh babe, can I borrow your headphone? Cause she got hers and hers is fine. I hope she likes it. She likes bright colors, so I hope she likes it. So yes guys, that's it for the review. I will put a link in the description where I bought it from Amazon. The link down in the description, you can check it out and subscribe for more. Just letting you guys know that my goal right now, our goal is to hit 500 subscribers, and I'm gonna tell you a little secret. I'm gonna be giving away an Amazon gift card. Yeah, once I hit that 500 subscribers, I'm gonna give away an Amazon gift card for that lucky subscriber. So more videos will be coming. Stay tuned for more. Subscribe, like the video, share the video. If you dislike the video, you can dislike it, but come on, share the love. One love. Merry Christmas, guys, and a Happy New Year to you all. Peace out. Drasengan TV here. Holla out your boy.